Hello. Good morning. You know what it is? Let's make this money. Happy New Year. Got some new things popping here for you. Got some new things. We got Tesla in the top. If you notice at the bottom, I have a dot plot. All right, here we go. Thank you, God, for a great day. Let's get it. Gold AMD is the top of the top. Volatility is in motion, guys. The dead part of the year is over. Let's go. I'm so geeked. I don't even know what to do right now. So excited. It's all about getting what we need to get this year. Let's focus. Let's focus, guys. All right. So let me do the little rundown really quick. SPY opens up above 72 moving average and above the 200 moving average. IWM. Let's see. Boop, boop. All right. All righty here. Tesla opens up between the range, between 122. So it opens up above that 50% range. We're waiting to see what it's going to do. Tesla's going to have a big year, so be patient with Tesla as it gets positioned. Don't get impatient with Tesla as it gets positioned. QQQ is already starting off, hitting the order block. Tesla is ranging a bit. Okay. Gee. All right. Okay. All right. IWM is falling underneath the 200 moving average. Everything is falling right now. Coming back, there was a huge gap overnight. So remember that as you go into it. But there is more green than there is red for sure. So we're going to wait for these to find its position. It's 9:33. We're not getting in just yet. I don't see it coming down some big area here. So just give it a moment to shake itself out. It's first of the year. Let's find it's making its lows and then it'll have to make its highs. So we'll see what it's going to do, guys. You see right here, remember Tesla usually really respects this level. So 449 is currently moving right now. Nvidia is one of our top sellers here currently. Okay. All right. Tesla may go down to 449. Remember, it's Friday. Nvidia calls us up. All right. SPX just hit its low. It's 936. First 5-minute bar has printed. This is easy for Tesla to go down to 449 before it makes a reversal. Just letting y'all know where are we at. You choose to be one of those people to hop in and hop out. That first 5-minute low. Okay, 449 is its next level. So we are waiting to see what it's doing. Same here. Let's do spiders. Just like the spot at the top. Okay, SPY just made a reversal up. Tesla is coming down. If it can break it, 449 is its next level. Make sure you have your stop losses in place. So we are looking at, for areas of movement, 459. SPY is trying to make a move up, but if it cannot get past VWAP, then it should continue to make moves down. I'm so excited about this year, guys. It is going to be amazing because we're focused only on a couple tickers. We're not trying to be greedy. We're just waiting for cues to get in and out. Nothing serious, nothing hard. It doesn't have to do that. Right now, price is under the 72 moving average on SPY, under the 200 moving average. So I need to see what it's going to do for this first bar. Some people like to get in and out. IWM is pushing. I think we have a little bit down more to go, guys. I think I'm going to go with a nice SPY put. Let's go. I need to see what it's going to do. That green bar that pushed up, if it cannot hold that, then that means that SPY is going to push down further. And possibly to go 683.29. Don't make me remind yourself that some people can't even make $20 an hour. So if you make your $20 or $40 or $50, be grateful now. Don't give your market money back to the market. I watched a great video on that. I should play it. Yes, Spy's looking good. Can Spy keep going? Is the question. What are we doing? Okay. All right. Let's see here. Let's look at make sure the levels are in. I need to lock this. All right. Okay. All righty. I'm seeing 683 as a potential target profit. I'm always looking to see where could it turn around. So it's already broke the 36. So 683 looks like it could go there and halt or turn around. What are we feeling, guys? Y'all hear about that guy? Y'all hear about that guy, David Chow? Oh my God. $50 million lost Christmas Eve, and all the people following him who paid $5,500 to be a part of his group, they lost cumulatively $50 million. They had to start GoFund pages. Yo, it was rough. Tesla going to 449 possibly. SPY looks like it's making a reversal here. Can SPY get to 683? And then we do enter there to go up. Uber, Apple. SPY might be setting its low for the week and then may shoot up by the end of this week. Because it shot up overnight. Let's see. Tesla is doing good for the puts. All right. 449, we're calling on Tesla. Ooh, go Tess. I'm talking about strength on Tesla. Okay, Apple. Y'all see on the chart here, Apple is moving up, going crazy. Shout out to Mano. I do not move my charts off of Tesla and SPY though. I do not. But yes, are we getting into Apple? What are we doing, guys? Apple is looking right, but you guys have it right here on the left. Nvidia, Apple. Oh, Apple just did something. I love the call outs. Y'all be pointing out stuff. I love that. Woo. Look at Tesla falling apart. Jesus. Woo. Well, we called it. We said 449. It made it. Okay, boom. Apple. Apple looks so good, guys. I love a move like that. Spy. All right. Now Spy is like, okay, is ready. Spy just hit an order block. Apple looks really amazing. QQQ looks very amazing. Tesla is finally making his curve up. Nice. Good call, Mano. No, I don't be looking at, I'm just staring at Spy. All right, Spy just hit this order block. Let's see what it's talking about. All right, it's pushing up out the order block. It's testing it. Can it hold? That's the question. Okay, nice. This is such a great day, guys. I told you it's going to be like this all year. It's like it's going to be smooth, smooth. There'll be some rough patches, but mostly smooth. Tesla looks like it is reversing officially. Y'all could have easily got your money and get out. Y'all don't have to sit here around now. At this point, you're playing with house money. You should be. Okay, what's happening with Spy here? Spy just crossed the VWAP, crossing up on the VWAP. It's just hitting the monthly VWAP now. Woo! Come on. That monthly VWAP. That Tesla. Yes. All right, 951 pullback. Is this going to be a continuation? When people, if you want to ever add positions, this is a really, really a good time to look at the pullback to get into added positions. Because this is where it could either come down or continue. This is where those smaller time frames can help you position yourself quite nicely. So this is the pullback. Relative volume is looking nice, but there is a pullback on SPY. So if y'all should get your profits, please do. Wait patiently during this area. This is either going to be a continuation or a reversal. It's right now just hit the 50% mark on SPY 686. Heavy bears pushing down. It's hanging around on the monthly VWAP. Oof. What's it doing? Okay. Apple calls are pouring in. I'm putting the contracts up here so y'all can see which popping. I hope y'all like that. Apple calls have been pouring in. All righty. That's my dog. Anyways. Okay. All right. We are approaching the end of that pullback area. If it can get past 686 and hold, then we're looking at 687 as our next target. Intel is good. Okay. Tesla looks like it could be moving up. I needed to hold VWAP. For those aggressive people who like to test, trade your stop loss. Meaning that don't trade more than you are willing to lose. That's what trading your stop loss means. If you don't want to lose more than 100, don't buy more than $100 contract. Easy work. All right, here we go. It's 956. SPY looks like it will continue going up higher. 687 could be that next move. I'm in open right now. Did y'all get in open? Lord, I've been watching open for a minute. All right, Apple, what are you doing? Apple is one of my favorite tickers, guys. Super smooth price action. All right, here we go. All right, Apple looks like it cannot hold. It's trying. So I hope y'all got your money. Remember, you can always add contracts back. That's the cool thing about not using up all your buying capital. Try to split up your buying capital like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, like, okay, so I'm going to do my breakfast contracts, I'm going to do my lunch contracts, and that way you can have multiple times to enter in the market. Tesla cannot hold that VWAP. And, well, let's put. I love how today started off, though, guys. Woo, that was a doozy. So y'all just always make sure you look over here too. This is super good and accurate. Really, really good stuff. Let's see what Amazon's doing. Amazon. See what Uber's doing. These are the top guys today. Oh, Uber is nice. Did y'all see Uber? Oh, what's Lyft doing? Oh, Lyft looks amazing. Spy amazing. This is a great day, guys. Mm-hmm. Nice. Baidu surges. I'm getting some news releases. AMD. Today's a great day, guys. Let's get it. I'm up on SPY. That was a notorious Oliver special right there. The 180 bar. It drops down, it swoops back up. Nice move. I'm also in Lyft, guys. Lyft had a gamma on here. I love gamma. So I want you guys to see this is I'm running these scanners so you can see also the contracts that pop up. See. Oh, thank you, Lee. I love this scanner. I'm so grateful for it. Lee, which part of the scanner do you like the most? Are you loving the green and the red, like Christmas lights? Or are we loving the print? What are we loving? Oh yeah, Lyft is it. Lyft, let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna show y'all something on Lyft. You know I don't like to deviate from the party, but I want y'all to see this. I got in Lyft last week. Look at this. And I want y'all to see something. Let's see, 12 minutes. You see how it's crossing the 700 moving average? This means it has got a run to go. Okay. So I'm not telling y'all to get in. I got in last week. I got in here. Boom. So just want to tell y'all what I'm doing. Going back to Tesla. I made $1,000 off of 150 on Lyft in 2 weeks. So that's why I know Lyft be moving. Lyft be lifting, you know what I'm saying? Lyft be lifting, but boy, when you don't get your money, it's a snooze fest. So that's why you cannot sit on it. The green had yes, how the tickers at the top are really rising when it say it's rising. Yay, Lee. I cleaned some house this weekend on my scanners, and I was like, I only want momentum scanners to be flashing during this session. So that's what my aim was, Lee. So I'm so grateful that it's working. Let's see. Uh-oh. I want y'all to see this dot plot. Is the dot plot on here? Let's see. Um, I'm gonna do this dot plot. Okay. All right. Y'all see these four dots? That usually means that's momentum coming in. It's a dot plot. Spy just had the two little toothpick things going on, but we need to wait till it closes before we determine that. But it is hitting some heavy selling. So be careful. If you're not in it, then wait. Okay. Tesla look like it's doing a pull up. Y'all know Tesla got some big news coming up this year. So people are really getting in on the action. So for my TSL babies, but I needed to hold. I don't know if SPY can do much more than 686, guys. It's trying. It is trying. If it can go past this, it might be able to go good for the day. But it gave us some good plays this morning. All right. Can SPY get through this block? That would be crazy. I'm just blown that these people lost $50 million the day before Christmas following this guy. And he had him doing the martingale tactic. I don't know if you ever heard of that, but it's basically you just keep on doubling down when you're losing. Basically, you're just keep buying into a losing trade. All right, now. Okay, look, put energy is coming into the building. Okay. Ready? Gee, what is Spy doing? I hope you guys are out. Hey, you guys are my trash people outside. Thank you, God, for trash people. Um, all right. Heavy puts are coming in. Palantir puts. Okay. Ooh. So basically, if y'all look, SPY hit its high from overnight and then it's coming down. Let's go. So remember, um, it was very red on the week. So it was probably just trying to make its high of that candle. Woo, good spoil boy. They are not playing. So what you saw this morning, guys, was really what they call a liquidity sweep, where it swooshes up real fast and then settles and then starts to pull back. And that is what a liquidity sweep looks like for inquiring minds that want to know. All right. Ooh, I swear watching this is like a movie. Y'all can really ride this up and down all day. Y'all get good today? Let's see. It is nothing holding right now. There is no strength in any of these tickers on the green. Also, let's see. I need to change this scanner to only buyer controlled. Let's see, APLD. APLD. Woo, spy. What did I tell you? I said, man, I'm feeling spy puss today. buddy, buddy. Y'all need to go with your first gut. For real. On a lot of things in life. Definitely over 100% on my spies. Let's go. Ooh, Mike Jones. Don't fail me now. Mike Jones. Yes, Javier, you better be in that nice put in IWM. You know, the IWM started off shady. Like, we're not going anywhere today. We are not doing it today, guys. Oof. I'm praying for those people though in that group. Man, I'm praying. They had to start a GoFundMe. Oh, catastrophic losses. I've never done a credit or debit spread, and I'm telling you, I'm scared of them. You ain't got. I saw that dude pop up on my Instagram feed, and I was like, "Yeah, I'm cool." I said, "It looked good. I'll just stick to my little VWAP. I don't need all the extra tricks in the. No way." I'm sure there's one dude in there that was like, Yeah, I wasn't doing all that. I'm sure of it. They was like, yeah, you started doubling down on a losing trade. Somebody had to be smart in that group. It was like, I don't think we should be doing this, guys. I want to know who the voice of reason was. He needs the Forbes commentary. Okay. He needs the article done on him. When I tried to tell people not to do this craziness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, I'm up 300%. Let's go. I better stop playing with Spy when Spy is on a vengeance to drop. I was like, I don't know about this. This is this might be a little fake out. But here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. This is why I love it. If y'all get up in the morning, right? I'm about to drop some real game. I know it's the easiest homework in the world to do, but most people don't do it. All you got to do is look at the high of the pre-market and the low, and you have your ranges. And if you just wait patiently, it will come to the high, and then it will decide if it still wants to go down or not. And then it will go, usually either keep going after it hits the high, or it will reverse. And that's exactly what SPY did. And that's exactly what Tesla did. Look at Tesla, past 449. This was a really, really great day, guys. I hope you guys, Tesla is still moving too. Whew. Tesla is very strong. Javier, did you reverse on this IWM? Or are you still holding? It's hitting the order block on 2 minute. Not to say that means anything. I'm just saying that it just bounced off the order block. And don't hesitate to take your profits, guys. Please don't hesitate. Lord willing, you will always be able to trade tomorrow. Where else y'all gonna get money there like this in 5, 10, 20 minutes? Where? Well, well, there's other ways. Okay. There's other ways, but ways that don't hurt your soul. How about that? Can SPY make it to the 683.29 or is it going to reverse? Oof. What are we doing, SPY? Are we going to make it to that next level? Because right here, this is where the levels really get, if it can cross that 683.29, it's probably going to go down all day. And then Monday, you might see a nice push. People putting in puts on Tesla. Ooh, buddy. Talk about a drop. All right, now this is where the SPX contracts get really cheap. Oh, and they were doing it on SPX 0 day to expiration. Good. I'm glad you took that profit. Good job. That's it. Nice. Whew, over 400%. It did cross the 22 level. Usually when oh my God, and look at Tesla. Oh, Tesla was fantastical today. Tesla is really making a run for it today, guys. Shout out. You're welcome, Mano. You need to be putting this in the chat, bro. What are you doing? Good looking out. He like that PLTR. Shout out to PLTR. Y'all know I'm the PLTR princess. You know. I do not understand him. Right now I'm in XLE as well. On something else, but it's working out. What's XLE doing? XLE. Whoa, y'all need to check out XLE, guys. The energy sector is going to be booming this year. Let's do a leap on XLE. Let's do a leap on XLE. Sorry, I got ahead of myself. 700%. Jesus. Yo, I was just, I was really messing around and I got into a $11 same day expiration on SPY and it is up 700%. $11. Y'all can I'm telling y'all, SPY is a money printer, man. You only got $10. I don't want to hear it. Ooh, how much money? I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it at all. Because when SPY is doing its thing, it's doing its thing. And when it does its thing all day long. All day long. Okay. I'm trying to put the New York on it all day long. Bro, those 100, you be killing me. Mano, why are you not chatting in the text? Those 172.50s were 22 5 minutes ago. What? I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. This is the only place I feel like you can flip some money in like 5 minutes. Y'all want to hear a story? One time I had blown my account. I'm gonna tell y'all a story. And I said, dang, man. I need to put some money in my account. I signed up for Uber Eats. I ain't lying to you. I drove around. I did this for like a week. I was blown. I was like, I will never blow another account again, God. As long as it took me to get $100 on Uber Eats, y'all better take these $20 and be in the comfort of your home. You know what I mean? It's like gratitude kicked in on another level after doing that. You know, geez, I can't use because you might not even get a tip. You feel me? You might not even get a tip. I didn't even want to tell my husband. He was even think he knows I did this. But I was like, no, I I'm accountable. I'm gonna take accountability for this. And I'm gonna figure out how to and this was years ago. But I said, boy, y'all better quit playing 980%. Come on. These days, oh, 1,000. Let's go. These days are epic. I should take a screenshot so y'all don't think I'm lying. 1,000%. Oh Lord. So I'm sad about the guy David Chan Chow or whatever his name is, the Iron Condor, Captain Condor. But the truth is, they have a skill set that can help them get their money back if they don't let fear and sadness overwhelm them. And that's all, guys. Don't let things overwhelm you. Just grab life by the horns and re up. You know, I'm just saying I could use an analogy, but people live certain lifestyles where somebody could come in and take all you got, and then you got to figure it out after that. You don't just give up. You'll figure it out. And that's what I want y'all to do here. Don't get sad. You guys are just for you guys to be able to make a trade, to even press play. Y'all are ahead of somebody woke up this morning and said, I'm going to learn how to trade this year. Somebody said that. They did. And y'all are already miles ahead of that person. So don't ever look at me like, man, I should be further. No, you are right where you need to be. Don't make me have an inspirational hotline today, guys. The inspirational hotline. Gee, what is going on? Spies making that Lotus. I'm telling you, it's gonna be ready to come back up. And when it's ready, it's gonna be ready. What y'all think about Warren Buffett retiring? He said, I made 5,505,555% for Berkshire. I'm cool. I'm gonna go live in my little cute little house, ranch style house, and continue to eat my Brussels sprouts and my broccoli. Boom. I heard he is such a modest person. Boy, Tesla. I am really shocked you didn't play Tesla today. Tesla's your boo. And Tesla is still going. I don't know how I win. Do, 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 do. We need a little, do we need some things? There you go. Cash. Ooh, look at XLE. Y'all, XLE. Ever since I baby you. All right, what is it saying? Soxel. People buying. They buying. Oof. Contracts is getting poured into the 10,000 contract list. And those are the tickers for the 10,000 contract list. XLE. Oh, man. Okay. Go ahead. I just love it, man. I swear, when y'all hit me up talking about y'all making money, I just like, God is so good. I'm so good. I'm just screaming. I I'm telling you, man, trading is a humbling experience. That's why when you get to a certain level and you got this cockiness about you, it's because you like, man, you know what I've been through, man. Man, you better go somewhere. We do not play it safe over here in this land. We do not play it safe. There's a reason why we feel like we could pop our. Okay, now I'm just being honest. So I end up dating somebody, and they're like, "Oh my god, well, everybody can't make $5,000 in 5 minutes." Okay, well, guess what, guys? You can either get on the board or you can get off the board. But either way, don't play with me. Get on or off. Okay, guys, what are we doing? This is such a blessing. Y'all have been getting paid today on these puts. These puts is something crazy. All right, what are we doing here? XLE is on a tear, buddy. Oh, that was great. Oh, Open's back. What's Open doing? Tesla's just falling apart on us. I'm in Open right now. Okay, Open. Open is looking nice and juicy. Here for it. Going back to Tesla. Oops. Tesla at the top. Spies at the. All right. Well, I'm grateful for today's wins. I will say that. How much XLE you think can go up? I think I might stay in it till next week. All right, I'm gonna leave my Tesla in there. What about Nvidia? Nvidia's up for whatever reason. Maybe I'll leave Nvidia there too. Okay, that's what we're doing. I have Nvidia. These are the positions I'm in. I did not expect y'all to get in these. I'm in Open, I'm in Nvidia, and I'm in XLE until the 16th of January. Today was great. Now listen to me now. Listen to me. You guys, be careful tomorrow because today was such a run. It could mean choppiness, okay? Yes, Javier. All right. So just be careful. Ooh. All right, Open. Wow. Yeah, I'm staying in Open for sure. They say Spy Call Wall is at 687. So that means that when you get to 687, we're gonna look to do calls on Spy. The call wall. Like Paul Wall, the Chief People's Champ. This is gonna be Spy Wall. Okay, AMD 225 calls pouring in. AMD. Oof. AMD 225 calls. People are placing them with the expiration of January 16th on them. Nice. I know in a highway. Dun, 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 dun. Google was added to Mama.Clark. Okay, hold on. Let's look at Google. All right, Google hit all 4 dot plots. Mm-hmm. All right, so let me teach you another little trick, little tricky trick. You ready? So let's say, for instance, okay, NVIDIA calls is coming in. Let's say, for instance, price comes out the gate. Boom, boom, boom. We're looking at SPY. All right. Now, I want y'all to get into a habit of counting 5 bars. So if you go to the 3-minute chart, you can go 5 bars. So from the beginning of the day. So bar 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Above the 5th bar, it's going to move up, as you can see. Now, once it's moving up and it hits the wall, the next bar that goes down, you start counting 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then look, boom, falls apart. There's a little 5-bar trick y'all should learn about. It's a real thing. Now, what if we want to do it on another time frame? All right. So let's say 2-minute, 5 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you see it's at the bottom. This is really a red bar, but it's blue because it's sellers. But this is the 5th bar. So what you do is this: you put a line under that, and then you put a line to the top. And what you're going to do is you're going to wait until price breaks above either one of those lines. And that's going to be your direction. Now, remember, this is not going to be forever. You just grab your money because it's on smaller time frames. So let's say that you need to wait for a change in color, a color change event. Shout out to Oliver, color change events. So when you see the color change, count from that. So as you can see, the color changed here. Count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then underneath, look what happened. Broke down. Y'all better stop playing with these little tricks that y'all can do. 5-bar shawty. Bam. That part. Okay. So I can put my little thing on here too to help you guys, but that can help you tremendously. So count the color change. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bars from the beginning of the range, and then, or 5 bars from the color change. So you see the color change happen. Now you count that and you go 5 after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the lower to high. Boom. That's a little trick. That's a little trick I learned back in the day. Google. And Google did what it said it was going to do. All dots, green dots going up. Stop it. I'm trying to get this together for you guys so you guys can be like, oh, it's a green dot. It's 5 dots. It's green. I'm in a high blinked. Doo, 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 doo. Oh my goodness. Google is moving, guys. Google is moving. SPY moving. All right, let's look at this one. So SPY's coming down, right? Let's see if this is really true. SPY's moving down, right? This is going to be your first color change. So you're going to wait for that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you are doing is waiting for a push against above this or below this. This is how you're going to feel comfortable getting into your 5-bar shouty move. Okay. So remember, price came down, color change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look what happens. You see how this is our 5th bar. It tried to break it. It couldn't. But if this one breaks above, most likely it will go to 684. Come on now. Come on with the tricks of the trade. Let's go. So you just have to be patient because you are waiting for price to break the 5th bar. And what is it going to do? OMG. What? I can't handle it. If it breaks it, it's going to 684.80. Now remember, its job is just to go level to level. Its job is not to give you rockets every day. Its job is just level to level. So now you can see it broke the 5th bar, which was this guy right here. Boop. Let's make it big. Boop. It broke it right here. And now look. Crazy work. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Is this helpful? Or what? Okay. That's a real trick. Now, what's happening is, can it get to this VWAP? I think it can, though, to be honest with you. I think it can get to 684.80. Let's see what we got going on then. Mm. Okay, so we're still waiting to see. So, boop, what's it gonna do? All right, Google is looking fantastical. Fantastical. Apple calls are coming in like crazy. Let me look at Apple calls real quick. Yep. Apple calls are coming in right here at the bottom. Yeah, I don't know about you, but these AI people that text is so weird. Like they be saying random things, sending you warm hellos, bro. Nobody I talk to sends warm hellos. Does AI know that it's not? We know that it's not a real person. They got to know this. They have got to know this. Let's go. What's Lyft doing? Apple is good, guys. Apple is good. Okay, Lyft. I'm loving you. Loving you, Lyft. Thank you for being sweet to me today. All right. Okay, so here's the thing. When you see the color change, you have to start over again now. So this is a color change. So one, now it's closing against the color change. Now, what does that mean? It needs to close though. It has to close. Spy may not be ready to jump all the way up just yet. What's Baba doing? Oh shoot. I'm supposed to be off of this thing. I'm sorry, guys. I was so excited. All right. Well, it's 10:47. Everybody got their money. Go to the beach. The market is just moving. I just don't know what to do with myself. And I'm so glad that we locked in today. All right. Take care. Go play. Go play in the snow. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. I mean, no, I won't. Oh my God, it's the weekend. I'll see you Monday, Lord willing. All right. Bye.